The universe is vast. We look up at the stars, wondering if we're alone. But what if we're not? What if, out there, in the dark corners of the cosmos, there exists a civilization so advanced that it has harnessed the power of an entire galaxy? A civilization so powerful that to them we are nothing more than primitive creatures, or worse, a resource? This is what happens when we meet a Type 3 civilization, and trust me, it won't be what you expect. Before we get into the encounter, let's break down what a Type 3 civilization actually is. The Kardashev scale ranks civilizations based on how much energy they can control. We humans aren't even Type 1 yet. We barely harness 0.72 of our planet's energy. A Type 2 civilization could build Dyson spheres around stars, extracting energy from entire solar systems. But a Type 3 civilization, they control an entire galaxy. That means billions of stars, planetary systems, and possibly even black holes. To us, their technology would seem like magic. They could bend space-time, manipulate energy on incomprehensible levels, and even engineer entire planets to suit their needs. So what happens if we meet them? Well, it depends on how they see us. If they exist on a higher plane of intelligence or communication, we might not even be perceivable to them, like ants crawling in a forest, oblivious to the superhighway being built above them. If they view us as a potential threat, they wouldn't send an invasion fleet like in the movies. They could eliminate us with zero effort by redirecting an asteroid, collapsing our sun's magnetic field, or even destabilizing the laws of physics in our region of space. Now here's where things get disturbing. If they are so advanced that they've lost their biological nature, what if they need something only primitive species like us can provide? The more advanced a civilization becomes, the further it detaches from its biological origins. If a Type 3 species exists purely as machines, digital consciousness, or even something beyond matter, they might have lost touch with key aspects of life: emotion, creativity, instinct, or even mortality, and that's where we come in. Humans, as a pure biological species, might hold something they need: our DNA, our consciousness, our raw organic nature might be a critical resource for them. Think about it. What if they no longer experience emotion and need us to reintroduce it? What if our very thoughts and instincts are something they've forgotten how to create? Instead of wiping us out, they might farm us, harvest us, or even use us to repopulate lost organic traits within themselves. This is where things get terrifying. There's a theory in astrophysics known as the dark forest hypothesis. It suggests that advanced civilizations stay silent because the universe is a dangerous place. If one civilization discovers another, it might choose to eliminate them instantly, just to remove a potential future threat. Maybe that's why we haven't heard from aliens yet. The ones that survive are the ones that stay hidden. If we do encounter a Type 3 civilization, could we defend ourselves? Honestly, probably not. But there are some ways we might survive. 1. Staying silent. Stop sending signals into deep space. If they don't notice us, we're safe. 2. Advancing fast. If we reach Type 2 first, we stand a slightly better chance of negotiating. 3. Going beyond physical form. If we evolve into digital consciousness or manipulate reality ourselves, we might avoid total annihilation. The universe is ancient. If a Type 3 civilization exists, they could have been out there for billions of years. Maybe they're watching us right now, waiting to see what we become, or maybe they've already decided our fate. So here's the big question. Would you actually want to encounter a Type 3 civilization? Would you take the risk? Or do you think it's better if they never find us? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next cosmic mystery. And remember, The universe is vast. Maybe it's best if we don't poke the sleeping giant.